the moves there. Oh my goodness. My goodness me.
Hailing from Paris, France, weighing in at 80 kilograms, here is Coco the Mime! He doesn't even need music. Once again, this match is one fall, no time limit. That's my job to ring the bell, all right? But you guys even check the other combatant yet. They haven't checked them before and after. Don't you know the rules of wrestling? Have you ever watched a match of wrestling in your life? Yeah.
Am I good? Am I good? Good.
All right, we are ready to go here with this contest between Justin, Timbersnake, and Coco the Mime. The bell is rung, let's get straight to the action. I don't know what the Mime is up to here. Oh, okay. Checking Justin now. I thought he already did. Yeah, he's checking the hair. Oh, look at the muscles on Coco. Oh, Coco, you got the support of the fans here. Look at Justin, as cocky and arrogant as they come here in C-4. But if he has lots of pop stars, that allows him to do that. Alright, here we go with the action. Oh! A little bit smooth spot, a little bit too quick on this side, Justin. Let's see this. Looks like Coco's doing something. You got it. Oh, okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. We're going to try to lock him again. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. You go to the eye? Come on, referee. Use discretion, please. Please use discretion. Coco, officer blinded. He looks angry though. He looks angry. He's ready to come back now. Hey. The referee's not the guy you're facing here. Come on. Uh-oh, bump again. He's behind him now. Whoa. Now they're going to save him back. Oh, he's lost his hat though. Oh, wait a minute, he said he pulled the hair. But he had the hair, didn't he?
He pulled the hair.
That looks like Coco's using it as it's not getting the early advantage here. It's all Justin so far. Oh, they stole his hat. Come on. Give that man back his hat. All right, here we go again. They're back in the center of the ring. And oh, he has the arm. There we go now. Oh, no, he threw his headset off. Oh, look at the moves of Justin. Oh, my goodness. Wow. I've never seen anything like that. Not in this ring, at least. All right, uh-oh. There's the power of Coco the Mime. Whoa, look at that. Justin's got some moves, let me tell you. Coco going sure I can keep it up the sleeve, and oh, there it is, and oh! Nicely done by Coco the Mime. All right, work on that time we get into submission.
Reset.
That's the tough competitor. There it is, he may be. Maybe a superstar, but he is tough. Oh! Big chop to the chest. He's down on the ropes, he's gonna go for it again. Oh! Nice that chop right to the center of his chest. Right in the center of that chest pattern. Uh-oh. He's winding up, setting up for it. Oh! Big shot right to the big. That's the shot. Uh-oh. Takes it over. Oh, takes it down. Coco's double top though. He's not going to go that easily. Let's see if he can get out of this. Oh, he does. Oh, look at that submission hold. Oh, very nice he does. He's got the leg and the neck hook. He can get his hand right here. Oh, big forearm. Oh, he's upset now. He's very upset. Coco, take the edge here. Those are big. Oh! Wait a second. Referee.
Foul.
Foul's obviously a foul. Come on now.
The foul. What? Oh.
Referee, do your job. Come on. You're not doing your job, obviously. You got hit. You got hit low.
I didn't see it.
Everybody here saw it. What's your problem? Now backbreaker by Justin. Oh, looks him up now. Got the arm hooked up here, trying to get submission again. Oh, that's it.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's side, good job.
What's there? Come on, what's there?
Hold it back up here. Oh, Justin is almost off. Working on that midsection. Oh, another shot. He's the woods. Coach, he's saying no. He's not giving it up. And oh, come on. Coco, come back. Coco, good. Uh-oh. Coco, going over the top, looks like he's a little bit hurt, but along with using the big leg. He's up top, though. Here he goes. Oh, Justin, a little bit smart for him. Got the knee to the midsection. Beautiful counter by Justin. Oh, he's coming on. We don't need to see any of that here. Right after the concert. And, oh, this box. My goodness. Such devastation with that. Oh, God. My goodness. He's working him over now. He's got him right where he wants him. He's got to finish him off now. Here's his chance. Oh, but he's being arrogant again. Going for the choke. Right him. Come on now, referee. Get him out of there.
Zach, come on.
Come on, Coco. Oh, come on, referee. You're not supposed to use a close fist. Do your job. Come on. Keep after fight. I'll fire you. Trying to get to the cut that suplex. He hit it. He's a smart wrestler. He's staying on the lower above area. He's taking off. Oh, he's in the box. He put himself in the box. Boy, what's smart that? And he's knocking on the box. He wants inside. You're watching the open up. Oh! What a surprise he got in the open up. Door to the box. He gets a shot right to the face. Man, what a fierce competitor Justin Timbersnake is. Goes in the corner first. Coco. With the flying clothesline in the corner. He's going to go for it again. Oh, he's holding up. Here he comes. Oh, he's on it again. Oh. What? 4? 2. 1. Oh, okay. Sorry. What's he got going on here? Uh-oh. He's got the lasso. Oh, he's got him. With the noose around the floor. He's pulling him in. He's pulling him in. And wait a minute. Justin's cut the rope. Oh, he cut the rope off. Oh. Right in the chest. What a smart wrestler deal at injured area. 1, 2. Oh, almost had him. Almost had him. Justin coming so close right there. Coco's really needs to try and put him away right here. Justin is hurt.
I don't need this. I make millions of dollars.
He says he doesn't need this, he makes millions. But he obviously needs this because he is here today. He wants the C-4 championship. That's why they're all here. Fighting for the territory, fighting for the title. Coco's going for it. He's going for it all right here. He's on the top rope. Here he comes. Up the top rope. 1, 2, 3. Almost had it. Almost had the 3 count. My goodness. But Coco, at the same time, Hercules ribs are already injured early on in the contest. He's got to be careful here. You have to live, you can't breathe. And if you can't breathe, you're not going to do much out there. Oh, knee right to the throat. He's looking to finish it off here again. Goes in, up, you're here first.